Hey, this is John from Turbot. If you're looking for quick demos of SteamPipe, you're in the right place.
What if you could query the GitHub API directly in SQLite? Well, good news, now you can. Even better news, you can do the same thing for more than 100 other services. But let's focus on GitHub first and query for recent issues in a GitHub repository. Let's break this down. We're using a table called GitHub issue, which is provided by an extension that translates APIs to virtual tables in SQLite. The extension is one of more than 100 listed on the SteamPipe hub, all carefully documented. Here's the schema for the table. And here are examples you can copy, paste, and run. Let's do this one. List unassigned open issues in the SteamPipe repo. I'll click here to copy the example, and paste here to run it. The GitHub issue table we've been querying is just one of 55 tables available to you. You can find tables for search APIs, or teams, or actions. There's plenty to dig into here, but we're just scratching the surface because the GitHub extension is just one of more than 100 that you can use in the same way. Let's take a quick scroll through all of them to show the breadth of what's available. Schemas for cloud infrastructure include AWS, Azure, and GCP. For SaaS, there's ClickUp, Jira, and Slack, among others. Security tools like 1Password, CrowdStrike, and Trivy. Infrastructure as code definitions like Ansible, CloudFormation, and Terraform. Directories like Google, LDAP, and Okta. And network tools like CRT.sh and Tailscale. In all, there are over 2,000 tables available for querying all these APIs. And again, each table is well documented with examples that you can copy, paste, and run. So how do you load these schemas into your SQLite database? First, run the installer to copy the extension's shared library. Let's install the AWS extension. It takes a little while because that extension includes support for over 450 tables. Okay, it's done. Now that we've got the shared library, we can load and configure the extension. First load it, and now I'll configure it to use my AWS profile. And now we can run AWS queries like this one for EC2 instances. To get started with this family of extensions, head over to steampipe.io, download a couple of them, and let us know how it goes.
Thanks for watching. If you want to try SteamPipe for yourself, download it for free today at steampipe.io. See the video description for links and details.